When you go out to purchase an instrument, the first thing that you have to think about is if I'm going to make money with it. The SX10 has proved to us that it's able to make us money, it's able to be more efficient. It's a game changer. It truly is. When setting up the SX10 for the first time, we realized that it wasn't a conventional instrument. It was something a lot more.
This unit, I am totally amazed.
The SX10 is the highest piece of equipment I've ever used.
By having the video available for you to see where it's looking at any time, changed everything in the field.
There's not another total station on the market that is like this.
You gather once all the kind of data you need, because this is not only a total station, this is a laser scanner and a camera.
The SX10's efficiencies in the field allow us to have a quicker ROI than any two instruments that we've looked at in the past.
I've been here for half an hour and I have everything that I need. Scanning data, I have photos. It was fantastic.
The beauty of this SX10 solution is that the workflow in the field and the office doesn't change much at all.
There was no learning curve. We were able to put practices in place that we currently have in the field with the current software. We were able to be productive and profitable instantaneously.
We will definitely be more efficient in providing what the customer needs.
Definitely something that will revive our whole industry.
Trimble's an innovator. They've leaped ahead of the competition, and the competition scrambled to try to catch up. The SX10 is one of those instruments that they leaped ahead of the competition.